Mihango ya uheani wa njanjo bururi-ini ni thiete na mbere na kunyitithio thinga. Akenya riu makionekana guthie manyihitie wagagu kana ni mabatie guthecwo kana ca, ona gutuika ni gukoretwo na ciuria cia kana njanjo ino ni kaigana ikereka-ini ria njoko kuri aria othe mathecetwo. President Uhuru Kenyatta akiheana kiraniro gia kweheria wagagu ucio.
I want to assure you that nobody who has taken their first dose, and that I can give you complete assurance, is going to miss out on their second dose. That's point number one. Point number two is that it is a fact that there is a global problem in the supply chain of vaccines. Every single country is having problems accessing vaccines. But what we are doing is working day and night with all the different partners that we have across the world to ensure that we are able to get these vaccines in the shortest time possible.
Kiraniro giki giukite oriri ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yeraniire ati ikuri na njanjo citanyihiire mirioni 2.5 iria bururi ukwamukira na gukinyaniria na muthia wa mwaka uyu. Njanjo citanyihiire mirioni 20 cigakorwo ikinyite guku bururi-ini.
We urge our global partners to be equitable and fair to all countries that are also facing the same challenge managing the COVID-19 pandemic. The government expects to receive another 2.5 million doses of vaccines next month. This consignment will go a long way in boosting our vaccination exercise in the second phase of this program, which will see more Kenyans receive the jab. In total, we expect to receive about 20 million doses from the COVAX facility.
Gukinyaniria na riu njanjo 800 ni cirekereirio kuma thito-ini nene ya gitengera. Njanjo 800 ire thito-ini 9 icigo-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini na mathibitari-ini matiganite mamukirite njanjo 800. Njanjo ire itigarite thito-ini ya gitengera ari njanjo 300.
County level, the other 400,000 doses have been dispatched to health facilities and are the doses that are continue to go into arms of Kenyans.
Akenya 169,435 niyo mamukirite njanjo ino. 111,458 ari arume, 44,977 ari atumia, na hari namba ino maabitha urigitani ara mamukirite njanjo ino ni 74,698, maabitha ugitiri ari 14,368, arimu aria mathecetwo njanjo ino ni andu 24,615. Kaunti ya Nairobi niwe tongoretie hari uheani wa njanjo ino ari njanjo 63,034 na 34. Kaunti ya Uasin Gishu iheanite njanjo 13,844. Maya mokite oriri andu 948 monekanite na murimu uyu, andu 348 makihona, andu 18 magikua, ikuigirira iria ciandikithitio ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24. Gikiro kia ugwatania wa murimu uyu kirugamire gicunji gia 18.5 hari igana. Bururi uri kiumia-ini gia kana kia uheani wa njanjo ino, ona gutuika Kenya ni mathiite na mbere na guthingatithio marumirire mitaratara ino ario njira huthu ya gutigirira kuri na uhotani haro-ini ino. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Angirwo wa Foro.